Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ada. Thank you so much for stopping by. On this channel, I share tutorials for beginners using Android phone. So the tutorials I share on this channel cuts across WhatsApp tutorials, YouTube tutorials, and how to use and manage your Android phone, basically for beginners and also other related content. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a WhatsApp tutorial on how you can prevent your photos from automatically downloading into the gallery of your device. Take for instance, you are in a WhatsApp group, and that WhatsApp group, they usually forward photos. Okay, what you're going to do to prevent that photos from automatically downloading into your device, which will take up some space. Okay, so if you want to prevent that, what this will do is the photos is going to remain in the app and not in the phone. Okay, so if that sounds like what you're interested in, continue watching. The first thing you're going to do is, of course, you're going to have the app. So this is the WhatsApp app. You tap to open. So once you open the app, like I said, you're going to belong to a group. Then take for instance, let me use this group. Okay, so for you to prevent photos to automatically download in your device, okay, what you're going to do is to go to these three dotted lines here. You're going to see group info, then you tap on group info. Once you tap on group info, you're going to see here media visibility. You tap on it. So once you tap on it, as you guys can see, this is turned on already. Okay, so once I open any or tap and open any picture on this group, the picture would automatically be seen in my device. So I don't want that. I want it to remain in the app. That is if I need the picture. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to turn this to no. Okay, you're going to turn this to no. So once you tap on no, it means that these photos will no longer be downloaded in my device. Like I'll no longer see these photos in my gallery or in my device. It's going to remain in the app. Okay, so that is how you can turn this off. Okay, if you don't want it to be automatically downloaded into your device. Show newly downloaded media from this chat in your phone gallery. So my response is no, I don't want it. Okay, I don't want it to be downloaded in my phone gallery because it takes up so many spaces. Okay, so once you turn this to no, the next thing you're going to do is to tap on OK. That is it. Once you've done that, you're good to go. So once you open any media or any picture in a WhatsApp group, it will no longer be seen in your phone gallery. It will remain in the app itself. Okay, so that's basically how to turn that off. That's basically how to prevent photos in your WhatsApp group to be seen in your phone gallery. Hope you've learned how you can prevent a photo from being downloaded to your phone gallery. Thank you guys for watching. If you love this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as well share with as many persons as possible. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next one. Have a lovely day and bye for now.